The big FPV screen. The big FPV man.
Pressure's on now.
The pressure's on, going for an FPV takeoff. With the big stick. Wind and sock. Relatively nice day here at Tri-City. The corn is now over our heads, which makes for great flying. It's all FPV. That's one way to make sure you're up. Excellent.
Was that bad takeoff? It looks pretty good from here.
Oh, look, it's sweet.
That was sweet. Nice. 240 feet, 55 miles an hour. Oh, you got speed? Cool.
Yeah, I finally got that hooked up.
Tough on this camera, but there's a little speck in the sky. There he comes.
He's bugging right along.
That's an FPV landing here. A little bit of a cross breeze going. Not bad. Maybe 5 miles an hour. Should be no problem for the stick. Slow down, Nellie. Oh! Nice landing, though. But she's a good thing. FPV takeoff. Number 2 today. We're going to go try and find Jack's house.
Good, you can start slowing her down, Tech. Right in line.
We're not landing this time. Del, Tech's calling you.
What?
Keep filming, Tech. What do you need?
What do you want?
The throttle servo is kind of funky, he said. Did not shutting down for you?
Did you turn your idle down? On the box? Ask him if he needs me to land it.
You want Joe to land it? Yeah, that throttle's not responding. I'd get it up higher and wait for it to run out of gas, Tech. Your throttle, move it faster and fasten back again, Tech.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We just come from over down the street. We heard you coming and had to go home. Pretty good.
We have a little issue here at the throttle. The throttle doesn't seem to be shutting down for Tech.
Not slowing down for him, huh?
There you go. Tech, you can always cut your throttle and just dead stick it in.
Oh, okay.
You need to get almost over the corner. That way you have the whole runway.
Cut it.
Got it?
Yeah. Should be perfect.
Beautiful, man. Wow. Beautiful.
How was that, Tech? Was that fun? Not having control of the throttle?
I'm counting. Counter. Let's see it.
Let's see the hands, Tech. Are they shaking? Nice job, dude.
Is that going to flare at all?
That was perfect. It was perfect.